Hello friends, we are here for our 10th interview with Sujit. He will be giving his opinion and feedback upon the job opportunities in India and the future of jobs in India. So let us welcome Sujit. Hi Sujit buddy, how are
Hey
you?
Irfan, how are you?
I'm good. So I'll ask your opinion and feedback upon the job opportunities and job creation in India. What's the current scenario? What it will be in the near future?
Okay.
So I have few questions to you. What do you think from right now we are in 2017? It will be 2021 or 22 within
Yeah.
5 years. Okay, down the line will be there in 2021. And do you feel your job is secure? Yes or no?
I would say yes, it is secure.
Reason being why you feel you're secure, like
The
any
reason,
specific reason like you feel.
reason is because the knowledge which I have, the information I got.
Okay, so here's my another question, like okay, you have some kind of knowledge. I don't know if that sector belongs to it or not, but things in near future will get automatized. Okay, everything right from agriculture to manufacturing industry, software itself will be automated. So don't you think so there will be job loss?
There would be some level of losses, but definitely machine are some. For me, it's a slave. If you want a machine to work, it won't take decision as a human can take. It's more of a slave which is. So I don't think so. It would affect for jobs which are repetitive or the same work style is being done. So those jobs might be lost, but the jobs which are challenging where we require a human intervention, those won't be affected.
Agree. Oh, so third question, like every now and then people come or move to cities in hunt of jobs. Okay, so it is predicted that 1 million people will move to cities hunting for jobs because there will be lesser jobs in those rural area. What do you think? What our younger grads will have that jobs which we have right now?
Basically, yes, there are more entrepreneurs are getting created day in day out. People are doing different things, so there should be new jobs coming into the market. Right now, it's still we are in the growing process, and there would be new jobs coming into retail, FMCG. So it's still a market that will be getting much more in larger size. So I feel I'm confident that
Okay.
there would be a job.
And what do you think, like as Access is campaigning this thing, they asked another question, and it is like, what do you think what government should do or bring those campaign in where there will be job creation in the market?
uh, Government should create awareness about different. Right now, for any entrepreneur, they would have challenges with taxings. So knowledge is something that they should share. It should start from their college or school time itself, instead of having guys to go to their commerce where they have to learn about taxes. They should know about different rules and regulations starting from their school itself, so that they are aware about what are the processes, procedure within the government, and how can they can help us out for
Okay.
their growth.
You mean to say more education level
Yes.
should be increased or
Yes.
school setups?
Yes.
Okay.
Knowledge sharing would be
Okay.
has to
Thank
be-
you. Thanks a lot, Sujit, for sharing your feedback.
You're welcome.
Thank